we have one quantity as percentage of another quantity. So we must be able to express fraction into percentage and express one quantity as percentage of another quantity. How to convert fraction into percentage? Percent means per 100. So try to change the fraction to the denominator as 100 into form like this. So we're going to follow the steps. Step 1, find a number you can multiply the denominator to get 100. Step 2, multiply both top and bottom of the fraction by that number. Step 3, then write down just the top number with the percent sign. For example, convert 3/4 to a percent. Step 1, we can multiply 4 by 25 to become 100. Step 2, multiply top and bottom by 25. So the 3/4 we're going to multiply by 25. So the numerator 4, so 3 times 25 is equal to 75. The denominator also times 25, it will be 100. And last step, write down 75 with the percent sign. So the answer will be 75%. How to express one quantity as percentage of another quantity? For example, express 38 as a percentage of 200. So we have here the first method wherein we're going to make the denominator as 100 and copy the numerator, then put the percent sign. I'll show you how this first method.
So it will be 38 over 200. So as you can see, the denominator is 200. So we must make the denominator equal to 100 so that we can make it into percentage. How are we going to make 200 into 100? Yes, we're going to divide by 2. It means we're going to divide 2 also on the numerator. So let's divide. 38 divided by 2 is equal to 19. 200 divided by 2, 100. Very good. So we have now 19 over 100. We already have the denominator 100. It means the percentage will be the number on the numerator. The numerator is 19. It means we have 19%.
Second method, we're going to multiply by 100%. Then express into simplest form, then put the percent sign. This is the working for this method too.
We're going to multiply by 100%. If we're going to multiply this by 100, as you can see, we can simplify 100 and 200. We're going to divide them by 100. Very good. So 100 divided by 100 is equal to 1. 200 divided by 100 is equal to 2. Very good. So we have here your 38 over 2 times 1 is equal to 38 over 2. And this 38 over 2 or 38 divided by 2 is equal to 19. Then attach the percentage sign. So we have 19%.
Another example, express 23 as a percentage of 50. Let's use the first method.
If we're going to write that into fraction, we have 23 over 50. So the denominator 50 we must make into 100. What are we going to do? Yes, this time we're going to multiply. Multiply by what number? 2, very good. So we multiply also 2 on the numerator. So let's multiply. 23 times 2 is equal to 46. On the denominator, 50 times 2 is 100. Now the denominator is 100. It means, yes, the numerator will be the percentage. So it's equal to 46%.
Let's use the second method.
Still, we can use the second method by multiplying by 100%. So here we can simplify 150 by dividing them by what number? Yes, we can divide them by 50. 100 divided by 50, 2. Very good. 50 divided by 50, 1. Okay, so the remaining numbers, we have 23 times 2 over 1. We have 23 times 2 over 1 is equal to 46 over 1 equals 46. Just attach the symbol. So we have 46%.
Another example, there are 100 members in a swimming club. 40 members are men. What percentage of the swimming club's members are men? So men, we have 40. 40 out of 100. If we're going to write that into fraction, we have 40 over 100. How many percent is this? Very good, 40%. Therefore, 40% of the swimming club's members are men. Another example, Jasmine harvested 100 fruits from her farm. 34 of the fruits were mangoes. What percentage of the fruits were mangoes? We all know that 34 mangoes out of 100 fruits. So we can write this as 34 over 100. How many percent? Very good, 34%. Therefore, there are 34% of the fruits were mangoes. Another example, 100 pupils entered a drawing competition. 58 of them were girls. First question, what percentage of the pupils who entered the drawing competition were girls? Girls, we have 58. 58 out of 100 is 58 over 100. How many percent? Very good, 58%. So 58% of the pupils who entered the drawing competition were girls. Another question, what percentage of the pupils who entered the drawing competition were boys? So altogether, the pupils, we have 100%. And 58% are girls. How many percent are boys? So what we're going to do? We're going to subtract 100% minus 58% is equal to 42%. So 42% of the pupils who entered the drawing competition were boys. What did you learn to this lesson? You learned the two methods in expressing one quantity as percentage of another quantity. To sum up our lesson, to express one quantity as percentage of another quantity, we have two methods. Method 1, first make the denominator as 100, then copy the numerator, then put percent sign. Method 2, multiply by 100%. Then express into simplest form, then put percent sign.